This is our lunch. I'm cooking this pasta. This is 500 grams. Italian pasta. Excited. And then, I have here the pesto, the Italian seasoning, and half kilo beef, and garlic and onion. And I'm currently boiling water. Galing. Ang tawag nito? Para siyang papel, hindi siya plastic. Ang daling mabuksan. Yun na, may gaganyan mo lang. Teka. Kalimutan ko mag-video. Ito, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Hindi kailangan ng gunting. Para siyang papel. Hindi siya plastic. Pero may plastic siya. Di ba? Hindi katulad sa atin kailangan ng gunting. Ito. Di ba? Ang daling nyo lang buksan. Instruction niya. Walang English. Kasi in Italia din yung instruction. So, mag-chat GPT na lang ako. Ilang minutes to lulutuin. Made in Italia. Diba? Instruction na yun. 12 minutes, cottura. Hindi ko alam yan. Al dente, 10 minutes. Siguro al dente. Yung medyo matigas pa siya. Pero luto na. Pag medyo cook na, pag sobrang luto na, 12 minutes. So, dito tayo sa 10 minutes. So, kasi yung pasta medyo hard. Yan. Ang dami ng tubig ko. Lagay ako ng oil. Swimming pool yan. Ang daming tubig, dai. Making a toast bread. And this is my beef. I'm adding this all now. Sarap ng amoy. It's very good smell. It's my first time for this pesto pasta. Smells good. Like it. Add this 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I poured one already. And here. Smells good. I like it. Makes me hungry. Wow. I think this is good. This is our bread. This is the final product. This is the bread. This is the final product. There we go.